So we finally made it. It was a little bit of a hike. It wasn't bad like the other time. The other time we did 4-mile walk or hike, but this time we actually came down to the parking space. But yeah, so we're now in the beach. So we're gonna enjoy this day.
Oh, I'm gonna fuck up my shot.
Face.
Oh,
Well, she ran stuff. No, he's just tired. I want to go hike up the mountain.
You didn't bring shoes.
I don't need bells have shoes.
You need those shoes to climb up there? Yeah. I mean, the girls needed street shoes the day we came.
The girl just went up there with no shoes.
They went in with shoes. They probably parked right there. The old people are not even parked right there.
Ew, I just touched seaweed. I need berries. I want to bury something in here so I can always remember. When I'm like 20 years old.
So the hardest part right now is just to climb back up. It is the climb. Look, still girls in the back. Hubby in the front. Not bathroom, okay? So we made it to the top. Oh, so we're still waiting on them too. So my camera died. Now it's on my phone. Ooh.
yeah,
We had fun.
Maybe I should be
We're
going back the
gonna
other way.
go eat, and right now we're trying to see what's further down here. No. So we made it to the rock, and we came to eat the Little Hunt fish and chips. Fish and chips.
Why you make that sound back there? You don't like fish?
Because I hate fish.
That's the rock.
You gonna get a video? The Rock. I mean, you talking about the wrestler. More.
In half a mile, continue straight onto Coleman Drive.
Went to Little
I know, my
Hut,
glass is very dirty right
the
now.
fish hut, Little Hut.
And
Or-
the towers.
Order she done already. It's not ready.
I don't know what kind of towers are
You
these.
want me to hold the key when you get the order? Come on. Or you want me to go get it? I know you're gonna want extra tartar and extra shit. Yeah, so we at Harbor Hut. She want me to get a video. We came here last time with Mother Deer. And this one here. But, you know. I didn't get nothing. My stomach was hurting, so I'm gonna get some this time.
Hater got something from Taco Bell.
They got a little bit of something. Y'all come down here though. On Main Street, Morro Bay.
Trash out, look.
We get a little
He's
muscle.
taking it.
We let you know how it was. You know what I mean?
So we finally made it home. I am exhausted. And I need to be up at 4 in the morning to go to work. That's a bummer. But yeah, I took a shower, got the girls in the shower. Kiana's now in the shower. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Turn your notifications so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Good night.